Welcome to Knowledge Ascension. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily install PCSX 2.0 and start playing PS2 games on your PC in 2024. First, search for PCSX 2.0 and download in the Google. After that, click on the second link and go to the home page. Soon after that, you have to click on the latest table and click on the installer. So let's download it into the downloads for now. So once the download is complete, just double click on the file and click on S. So let's proceed with the standard installation. So follow the steps. So once the installation is complete, just click on the finish button. Okay, now it is successfully installed. Now you have to install a game that is in proper format. So it should be the ISO file of the game. So you can search for that directly on this website. And once you click on the download button here, you can directly load the file into the PCSX2 and you can have fun playing the games. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.